Let's make Korean soy marinated eggs. So I'm starting off by adding some roughly diced onions into a bowl, followed by a tablespoon of minced garlic and half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of soy sauce, and I'm just giving it a good mix to dissolve the sugar. Now I'm just adding a tablespoon of white sesame seeds into this mixture and mixing it well again before setting it aside. So at the start of the recipe, I actually prepared some 6-minute eggs using your standard 6-minute egg recipe. And I just let them sit in an ice bath. So here I am just peeling the eggs and adding the peeled eggs into the marinade that we prepared earlier. I'm just adding a cup of water into the mixture because I forgot this earlier, but we just want to mix it well and refrigerate it covered for at least 2 hours or overnight if you can. So my eggs have been sitting in the refrigerator for about 4 hours at this point, so let's cut into one and look at how it turned out. It was so easy to prepare these jammy eggs that go really well with rice. Enjoy!